Alright, for the second video, we're going to do the more complex ones. I'm not going to do this one or the final one. I want you guys to do that on your own. But we will work on these two, and these are both, this is Roman to Mayan, and this is Mayan to Roman. So again, always use your chart with your help. Remember, Roman is number base 10, Mayan is number base 20, so it's going to be a little challenging. I always write down all the number values before I begin. So we have 100 for a C. Then you have another 100. And then an X is 10. And then you have 100. So this already is showing you 10 and 100 is showing you like, oh, there's a smaller number in front of a bigger number. So you're going to be subtracting here. And then you have 3. So we have 200. And then this is a subtraction, so 10 minus the 100, so that's 90. So we have 93. So 293 is our answer. But then we have to convert it to Mayan. Now with Mayan, again, we're in our 20s, right? So we have to think, okay, how many 20s go into 293? All right, how many 20s go into 293? So what you can simply do is if you divide 20 by 293, we got 10 for 200, we got 93 left, then you have 4, you have 80, you have 13 left. So 14 20s go in. So we have to look at the number 14, and that's going to be our second line on our horizontal. So if we look back up here, we see 14 is 4 dots and 2 lines. So we're going to draw 4 dots and 2 lines. Now underneath, we still have 13 left over. So under the 14 20s, we're going to just do 13 ones. So 13 ones is 3 dots with 2 lines. So that number is 14 20s, or 293. All right, the next one, this has 3 spaces. So here's, if you see the space, here's like 1, 2. So this is going to be your 1s, your 20s, and these are going to be your 400s because it's how many 2020s. So 2020s is 400. So we have to count up each one individual. So this has 2 400s, the top row. The bottom row has 1 120, and this is 6 ones. So if we multiply and add those all up together, we can get our answer, which would be 826. So 826, and then we need to think, how can we get to 826? All right, so when I always think of this, I always think, hey, we need to do this as quick as possible. Well, I know 1,000 is M, and then if I subtract 2 hundreds from it, C and C, I have now 800. So this CCM, so 100 and 100 minus the 1,000 would give me 800, and then 26. So I need to go 20, which is 2 X's, and 6 is a V and a 1. So this is 100, 100 minus the 1,000, and then 26. I'll let you guys finish the bottom one, this one, and this one on your own. If you need help, please don't forget to ask, and try using your number systems. 10, 10, 60, base 20, and this one, the Shang is by itself. All right.